Hello, I'm Simon Henry, the CFO of Royal Dutch Shell. Today, I'd like to take you through our third quarter 2011 results and give you an update on the progress on our strategy. The third quarter current cost of supply earnings, excluding identified items, was $7 billion. That's a year-on-year increase in earnings per share of 40%. The quarter showed improved earnings in both the upstream and the downstream. Upstream earnings increased by 58% versus the same quarter in 2010, and this was driven by higher oil and gas prices and a very good performance from our liquefied natural gas or LNG business. Our underlying oil and gas production, excluding divestments, grew by 2%, driven by the continued ramp-up of our growth projects such as in Qatar and Canada. Our LNG sales volumes increased by 12% with the successful ramp-up of the Qatar Gas 4 plant. Our downstream results were supported by increased chemicals earnings with a resilient performance from oil products despite a more difficult economic environment. Asset sales are an important part of our drive to improve Shell's competitive position and our capital efficiency. We completed $6.2 billion of asset sales this year so far, and we've now passed our $5 billion target for the year in total. Asset sales from the non-core positions, they will continue. However, the pace will probably slow down from here after a very active period in 2010 and this year to date. And we're delivering now on our growth strategy. The Athabasca Oil Sands Project Expansion 1 in Canada and Train 1 of the Pearl Gas-to-Liquids project in Qatar both ramped up in the quarter, and production should stabilise at the plateau rate shortly. These startups reflect some of Shell's unique strengths in the energy industry today: innovative technology, integration across value chains, and creating long-life returns for our shareholders. These two projects are part of more than 20 new project startups that we plan between 2011 and 2014, and they underpin our cash flow and our production growth targets. Now, we continue to mature new investment options for medium-term growth, announcing final investment decision on the Clare Phase 2 development in the UK and the Wheatstone LNG project in Australia. We also confirmed a new oil discovery in French Guiana, a new gas discovery in Australia, and we're building new acreage positions for exploration drilling in the future. So, in summary, we're making good progress against our targets to deliver a more competitive performance from Shell. Thank you.